four-leaf clover. I smile on back, yeah, she got a boyfriend, but he a county line over. I asked Jimmy if I should kiss, he said, well, yeah, I think you ought to. So we found a little spot where we can watch the sunset sink on down in the water. Well, it's hot as hell in the beer's ice cold. Country western fire on the radio. Burning all up, brace up the cups, bring on the rowdy crowd. We got 3 months of hell, yeah, that's summer down south. The sun wakes up, we head to Mapco for rice and a breakfast beer. 'Cause it's